Welcome back to Midcap Radar. Well, earlier today, JSW Paints spoke to the press about their plans to acquire Akzo Nobel India. Mangalam joins in with the key takeaways.
There were a couple of key takeaways that one got from the JSW Paints and Akzo Nobel India press conference. The most important one, how does JSW go ahead and fund this deal, to which Parth Jindal did say a third of which will be coming in from their own group's internal accruals, another third would be tied up from banks, and the other third for which they have multiple private equity partners, of which they are going to soon select one. Importantly, the combined revenue, the decorative revenue of the group would be 3,700 crore rupees, which they believe can immediately scale to 6,000 crores once the merger is consummated. And then their next target would be doubling their revenue and thereafter taking it to 10,000 crores in the next 2 to 3 years. Aspirationally, they are looking at the number 3 spot in the paint industry immediately, the decorative side, and industrial, of which they are number 2 in the country right now. They will target to place themselves at the number 1 mark itself. In terms of the cost synergies, the immediate synergy that would come by would be 350 basis points of the royalty savings that would take place on account of this deal. And over and above that, Parth Jindal did mention that there would be some savings on procurement, logistics, as well as some capacity utilization. Leadership will remain with, they haven't specifically commented, but indications are Rajiv Rajgopal of Akzo Nobel India continues to stay on as the leader of the combined entity. Once the merger does go through, while it is premature to talk about whether JSW Paints will reverse merge into Akzo Nobel India as per Parth Jindal, that option is definitely not off the table. So these were a bunch of takeaways that we got from JSW Paints, which aspires to be number 3 quickly and perhaps looking at number 2 at some point as well.